Now, the aim of the Jamaica Rugby Football Union is to develop its men's and women's players locally to match the standards regionally and internationally. The 11th annual St. Catherine Thundercats International Rugby Sevens competition is one tournament that is used to spot and develop talent.
Jamaica Women's Rugby Sevens team will have a very busy calendar in 2026, and the aim always is to scout young players to integrate into the team.
Today is the schoolgirls. They fighting for a spot on the senior national team.
Technical Director at the Jamaica Rugby Football Union, Bruce Martin, is happy with the growth of the program.
See progress with this tournament, because this tournament highlights some of the girls that I mentioned that will strongly be selected to the CAC games this summer.
Meanwhile, BB Coke High were rampant against debutants Cedar Grove High, outscoring them 38-5 to retain the girls' title.
Yes, I'm very satisfied, and what we practice and train for, it came to this and we won.
It was a good day of rugby for the girls. We know that we had a job to come here to do to defend our titles, and the girls would have demonstrated today why is it that they are the crown queens of high school rugby.
It was a new experience for us entering in the union competition, but it teaches a lot because we're able to play with more experienced players like the BB Coke members and so on. So we have a lot to do and improve upon, but we'll make the changes and come back better and stronger.
As a team, our communication skills could be better with each other on the field, and spreading out on the field, like the bungling up. Yeah, we just need to spread out more on the field.
In the boys' equivalent, Norman Manley High were crowned champions, getting the better of Jose Marti Technical 17-12. In the meantime, in a repeat of last year's final, Cavaliers Rugby Academy retained their title as the men's champions, running rampant against the St. Catherine Thundercats 32-15 for their fourth straight title.
They look good so far. They would have been doing it for the last 4 years, and within the last 4 years we would have seen many talents that would have emerged for Rugby America's North from out of the academy. They are playing system rugby. They know what it is that their roles are, and that is what it is that the technical director would have tasked us, as coaches within our local program, to make sure that we are developing players to meet the standard to play in the regional competitions.
Actually, I'm very proud of the team. I said it last week that, if we come out and execute exactly what coach shared with us in terms of the plan, we would have dominated. And I think today, we definitely did that. One of the things that we aimed for was to keep the try line or the score line, the margin a bit low, and we definitely did that. So I'm happy, man. Very proud.
And the St. Catherine Lioness had their 8th hold on the women's trophy. But in a surprise twist, it was the B team that defeated their senior counterparts 15-10.
Most of our players has filtered into the Jamaica Rugby Football Union National 7s, 10s and 15 teams, with the Jamaica Rugby Union Football Union firm supporter in our club, so it has been great.
Rugby has taught me a lot since I've played from 2015, both national team, 7th team and club. So it's been good.
There were a total of 10 men's teams, 3 women's teams, as well as 6 boys teams and 4 girls teams that took part in the tournament. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.